So one of the biggest things that I've seen across career, and this was definitely true when I used to work at Acumen, Jacqueline Novogratz, she wrote a book for social entrepreneurs, and one of the chapters in that book was called Just Start. I see it over and over again with almost every staff member, every builder, every community member who is dreaming of building something, whether that be a side hustle, it be a small business. It may be that you have an existing small business and you're looking to grow that small business and you need to do some extra bit of work that's beyond your expertise. Wherever there is fear to get started. Getting started is definitely one of the hardest parts about doing anything. So people often ask like, okay, but how do I get started? Like, I know we have these AI tools. I know there's these agents. I know I should be building something, but I don't know what to build. How do I get started? Like, the first thing to do is go start talking to the AI the same way you talk to a human. And you need to be aware. Like, a lot of things that people tell you, the AI is what's called a stochastic parrot. It's sycophantic. Like, it will tell you what you want to hear. So you need to be very careful, but also it can help you to ideate as long as you're being intelligent with that ideation and bouncing that off of other people that you care about. So the point is you don't need anyone to teach you how to use AI. You don't need Yaru. You don't need our courses. You don't need any of these things to get started. All you do is go talk to the AI, ask it to interview you about the things that you're most interested in, things that maybe relate to the business that you're already starting, whatever direction it is that you're going down, and start to get your thoughts out in a way that you can read yourself, you can hear yourself talk, it can parrot it back to you, and then start to ideate on that idea, and then very quickly start to launch a wait list for that idea. So if it's a bakery that you want to start, go get ideas on the bakery. Go help it, ask it to do research on the bakery. Don't take any of that for verbatim. Go talk to other bakers that you may know or other people who have started small businesses and also get their advice, get it from multiple people. But start with that conversation with AI because you don't need to do anything. You don't have to schedule with anyone. You can just start talking to the AI. Get the ideas out, start to do the research, and then choose one of those. And like I said, if it's a bakery, go build a wait list for the particular style of bakery that you want to do. Go out on the street, find 20 people who will join that wait list. Go to a Reddit forum, start finding people who have the problem that you're trying to solve. If that's a bread problem, or if that is some other problem, go and start talking to people and earnestly try to help them, drive them to the wait list and see if you can get 20, 50, 100 people on that wait list. So we're doing the same with the products and services that we build in Yaru. We build out wait list, we test, and then see if there's interest. Only if there's interest do we double down on that. But the main thing is we've started. So go get started. Go ask the AI to interview you on the thing that you're excited to do.